Let us do Shishuasana from Dandasana. Come to Vajrasana. With your spine erect, raise both your hands up as you inhale. Exhale and bend forward. Abdomen on the thighs. Forehead close to the ground, and relax. For those who are unable to place the abdomen on the thighs, can separate the knees, giving more room for the belly to rest. You can also put your cheek down and rest.